guys, I hope you're well. This video is just going to be a quick one. It's going to be of an eye look and red lip. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight onto it. I've already done my base and the contour and my eyebrows, so just going to be my eyes and my lips. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the Iconic Pro with these colours, and it's going to be the brown here, if you can see. So I'll get on with that. Always good when you look like a clown. Next up, I'm going to be using this eye cushion, and it is going to be, oh shit, what colour is it going to be again? This one here, I believe, and if it's not this one, it's this one. I'll soon find out. Might be a little bit dark. Yeah, that don't really go with that. But I'll do it on the other eye, just so it don't look bad. And then I'll go in with the other one. So there's that. And I'm going to go in with this brush. Oh, I didn't show you. This is a, what is it called? Eye Contour by B, and I reviewed it the other day and it's actually pretty good, which is why I was using it then. Oh shit. So back onto the Iconic Pro palette. It'll be the gold here, because I'm not quite as gold as I want to be. So this one here. Pretty. Well, I think it does. And then the lighter gold next to it. It's going to clean it up a little bit. And then I'll use the matte light colour, not quite the white because the white will be a bit too much, so it'll be the kind of off-white pink. Get that line sharp. Sort of thing. And I'll do some eyeliner with MAC Studio, just black liquid liner. That sort of thing. Okay, I think that's even. I stretched out the wing a little bit because, oh shit, because the shading was quite outwards. But yeah, so that's that. Oh, my eyebrows are a bit funky. So mascara, it's the Queen Bee W7 one, and I'll show you this wand. Now it looks odd, but this little thing on the end is amazing, like it kind of just gets everywhere. Now, because I'm going to be wearing red lips, I'm going to go into the Revolution, oh shit, what's it called? I used it in my last video, Neutrals 2, I don't know. But I'm going to use this reddish shimmery shade. So I'm going to use this red shimmery shade just to go underneath. I don't know why, but I really like doing that with colours, just putting it underneath the eye. Then I'm going to put the lipstick on. It'll be the Red Carpet Matte Revolution. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a really nice red. It's almost like a pinky red though, but I think it's really pretty. Probably doesn't really suit the gold eyes, but I don't know. I just thought I'd do something quite fun, kind of like a night out sort of look. So yeah. Sorry about my eyebrow, by the way. I did notice that during the video, but it just kind of went. So yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video nonetheless. Please like and subscribe if you want some more. If you like the look of this sort of video, then let me know, because then I kind of know what I should do. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Have a nice night. Bye. Ow.